So I'm going to show you how to enable voice typing on the Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Now, the easiest way to do this is to make sure you have the Google keyboard as your default keyboard for this phone, the Gboard. Okay. Now, I've already done a video on how to set up Gboard on this phone and how to get it working and make it your default keyboard. And so once you've done all that, just go to the keyboard settings. So you can just launch the keyboard from anywhere and tap on the settings icon. That's going to open up your keyboard, and then it shows, your keyboard settings. Then you can go to voice typing and make sure you turn this on. All right. Now you can also enable faster voice typing, and this is going to download a faster, more accurate way to recognize your voice. Okay, so you have that enabled. So now whenever you want to type, you can just tap on the microphone icon, give the necessary permission, and now it's listening and typing everything I'm saying. And that is basically how to enable voice typing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.